This is actually a 52-inch Hampton Bay Huntington ceiling fan. This is actually an older one because there's a Hampton Bay logo was right there. I'm going to show you all 3 speeds. Is it light condition? First the light. Well, that's actually older Huntington. Fan low. Yeah, that fan is my dad's job. Yeah, he's painting the whole house. The fans are not taken down. Okay, medium. That's where a house in Galveston my dad's working on. This is actually a spotlight down there. Blows a ton of air. High. Yeah, it wobbles on high. Can you see the wobbling? Yeah, it wobbles on high. And those pull trees are original. Those are not Hampton Bay. And the Hampton Bay logo up there. Okay. Okay, first the light. Second light. That's really a spotlight down there, but I don't think that's a fan. Off. Okay, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Bye bye.